Hello, my dear students. Welcome back, everybody, in today's EVS 2 Parade. In today's video, we are going to learn chapter 3rd. The name of chapter is Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhosles. In this chapter, we are going to learn about Maratha Sardars. The Maratha Sardars from Bhosle family. From the Bhosle family, there were some Maratha Sardars. About them, we are going to see in this chapter. How our surnames are there like Patil, Pawar, Yadav, Mahadik. Likewise, Bhosle also it is one surname. We'll begin with first point. The first point is period of unrest. Period of unrest. In this, unrest means period of dissatisfaction. Dissatisfaction means only disturbance. There was some disturbance among the Maratha Sardars that we are going to see. As the saints preached devotion to God, the brave Maratha Sardars started a tradition of bravery. See students, as the saints you know, na, Sant, this Tukaram, Jnaneshwar, these saints they preached devotion to God, means they told love to God, pray the God. In that way, the brave Maratha Sardars from Maharashtra, they started a tradition of bravery, means they showed courage. Here, Sardars means a person of high rank. How teachers, principal, like this post are there. Likewise, Sardar also is one post. The Maratha Sardar they started tradition of bravery means they started to fight bravely against their enemies. This was a period of great unrest. The two sultans, the Adil Shah of Bijapur and the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, were constantly at a war with each other. They made use of the armies of Maratha Sardars in these wars. See students, we have seen in first lesson Maharashtra before Shivaji about Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. The parade of when Adil Shah and Nizam Shah was there, that parade was a great unrest. Because why see? Because Adil Shah and Nizam Shah they constantly fight against each other. And while fighting, what they do? While fighting in the war, they use the armies of Maratha Sardars in that war. There was constantly war among Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. And this Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, these two sultans, what they do? They used Maratha Sardars army in that war. In this, who suffer, who die? Armies of Maratha Sardars. So the parade in which Nizam Shah and Adil Shah was there, that parade also it is known as parade of unrest. Next point we are going to see, that is the brave Maratha Sardars. The Marathas were both brave and tough. They were also fearless and loyal to their masters. The Marathas means here the Marathi people, they were brave and tough. Strongly they can fight against enemy, and they were also fearless, means they were not having fear, and they were loyal, honest with their masters. The Maratha people were very proud of their achievements on the battlefield. Battlefield means what here? Where the battle took place. That place is called battlefield. The Marathas won many battles and they were proud about these achievements. The brave Maratha soldier with a spear in hand and a sword at his side would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. These Marathas or Maratha soldiers, they used to have spear in their hand. Now spear means what? Bhala. And also they have sword at the side. Sword means what here? Talwar. That is they have, and they ride in his or in their Sardar's cavalry. Here cavalry means soldiers who fought on horseback. On a battlefield, there are some soldiers who fought sitting on horseback. That soldiers are called cavalry. All the Maratha Sardars had their own private armies. If such a Sardar went to the Sultan with his army, the Sultan gave him employment. Employment means what? Job. Army means what? Do you know, students? Army means what here? Sainik. The Maratha Sardar had their own private armies, means their own armies. Soldiers were there of Maratha Sardars. And if such Sardar, if any Maratha Sardar went to the Sultan, which Sultan? Nizam Shah Adil Shah. With his army, the Sultan used to give them employment, means Sultan used to give them job. And also, sultans made him a Sardar of his kingdom and sometimes conferred a Jagir upon him. There were many Sardars, and that all Sardars they were having private armies. And if a Sardar went to Sultan with his army, Sultan used to give them jobs. Also, Sultan also used to make the Maratha Sardar a Sardar of his kingdom and sometime conferred a Jagir upon him. Conferred means what? Grant, and Jagir means public revenue or land. Means understood, student, what it is? If Maratha Sardar with his army goes to Sultan, Sultan used to give them job. Also the Sultan make him Sardar of his kingdom and sometimes conferred a Jagir upon him, means some piece of land used to grant to that Sardar. The Sardar who received such a Jagir considered himself a Raja. Means here, if any Maratha Sardar received a Jagir from the Sultan, he is considered himself as a Raja. There were many famous Maratha Sardars at the courts of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. Means here, many famous Maratha Sardars from Maharashtra, they work for Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. Adil Shah was from Bijapur and Nizam Shah was from Ahmednagar, and in their court, these our Maratha Sardars used to work. The more famous among them were the Jadavs of Sindakhed, Nimbalkars of Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Javli, Bhosles of Verul. See, students, there were many Maratha Sardars at the court of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. From that Maratha Sardar, some famous Sardars were there. Who are they? See, Jadavs of Sindakhed, Nimbalkar of Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Javli, and Bhosles of Verul. The Sindakhed Jadavs were descendants of the Yadav of Devgiri. Here, descendants means what? See, descendants means a person that is descended from a particular ancestor. Ancestor means what? Purvas. And descendant means what here? Vanshaj. Jadavs from Sindakhed, they were the descendants, means Vanshaj, of the Yadavs of Devgiri. Means Jadavs from Sindakhed, they belonged to or their native place was Devgiri. Students, one example I will give you. For the purpose of job, your parents, they live at other places. For example, their native place is Karad, but they used to live at Islampur for their work. Here your parents will be descendants of Karad, means your parents will be Vanshaj. Of which place? Karad. Jizabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav of Sindakhed. Lakhoji Rao Jadhav, he belonged to Sindakhed, and Jizabai, the Shivaji's mother, she is the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav. Next point is tradition of valor. Valor means what? Great courage. All these Sardars were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of one another. Here, sworn enemies means what? People who always hate each other. These all five Maratha Sardars, they were brave, but they were sworn enemies of each other. They never thought that they should unite and do something for their own people. Never they think to come together and work for their people. Never they think. So all their valor and bravery served the interests of others. See students, this all Maratha Sardars, they were enemies of each other. They were fighting with each other. And some other people, Nizam Shah, Adil Shah, they make use of these people for their own work. Even so, they kept alive the war-like spirit, especially among the young. Other people were taking benefit of this Sardars, even so they kept their warlike spirit active. Alive means active means they kept constantly fighting, especially the young people. Means here the young Sardars, they kept on fighting with each other. Many famous soldiers were born in their families who kept alive the tradition of valor. Means here many famous soldiers were born in the family of Maratha Sardars and who kept alive the tradition of bravery. Means whoever soldiers they were born in the family of the Sardars, they were brave. They showed courage. Among the famous families, the Bhosles of Verur showed great bravery and enterprise. Here, enterprise means the ability to think of new ideas. See, among the famous families of Maratha Sardars, Bhosles of Verur, they showed what? Great bravery and enterprise. Means among these all Maratha Sardars, Bhosles were brave and Bhosles they were from Verur. Today's homework, students, which points today I have taught in this video, that points you have to read. Thank you.